only communicating with my higher self, connecting in with Sophia herself and the Sophia Dragon Tribe only. Thank you. The energies have gotten more intense, haven't they? And we don't say this to sound ominous in any way. But you can feel it, can't you? You see it. Things shifting, triggers coming up in ways that you have dealt with in the past, yet now there is a new way of understanding them. There is a special moment happening here on planet Earth right now, where the tides are shifting. Your discernment is very important. You see, you are all mirroring back each other, your own shadows and divinity. It is very important that you stay aware of any projections that you might be giving to someone or that people are putting on you. Judgment Day is here. And again, we don't say this to sound ominous, but there is a deep reckoning and rebalancing taking place right now. Things that have been operating in false light and in the dark are coming to the surface. This is why we started off by saying it's getting more intense. You feel it. You see it. We invite you to continue to walk on your path with confidence, trusting your internal guidance systems, trusting your intuition, and trusting your connection to the divine, the creator of all. You came here to weave a specific thread on the planet. A web that is filled with true healing. And your threads that you are weaving into this web is like lines of silver and gold, platinum, the highest light, weaving throughout a dark tapestry. Your lights are getting brighter. Your confidence is coming in stronger. We are here to remind you of what you are capable of, how powerful you are, and what you can do, why you came here. Many of you work with us inside of the Sophia Dragon Tribe. We are known as Hathor and Isis, Green Tara and Kuan Yin, Mother Mary and Mary Magdalene, White Buffalo Woman, and the Seraphim Dragons. For those of you who do not know us by the name Sophia Dragon Tribe, we invite you to go in search for the Sophia Code by Kaya Ra, because this will activate any dormant DNA and to help to align you with your crystalline frequency and to shift your carbon-based DNA into your crystalline DNA. The times on Earth will continue to get more intense, and we do not say this to be ominous. We say this to remind you of your strength and what you are capable of doing. You came here for this. Your soul chose to be that unique thread in the tapestry. We are restoring balance. This collective of souls that we are speaking to, we are working with you, and we are restoring balance together through the unique creations that you are being called to birth into this world, for the resources that you are being called to create for others. We love the way that Melissa's mind works. The darkness has infiltrated the consciousness of humans in very strategic ways. And the ways that this collective here is meant to awaken the masses, help to elevate the consciousness, is through very strategic ways. A channel that came through Melissa a couple weeks ago was, "You cannot fight war with the gods of war." And this is true. Your battle moves are different. They are based in understanding of the darkness. They are based in compassion. They are based in acceptance, but they are also fierce and based in truth and honor and harmony and love and healing. So do not be afraid. This is the prophecy that is unfolding, that has been foretold throughout indigenous cultures throughout the world. But the prophecy can only play out if you step into the game, and you are an active role and a key player in this. Taking the actions that your internal guidance system is telling you to, creating the different resources and what you feel aligned to share with this world, and continue to spread the harmony and the healing threads throughout this tapestry. We are so grateful that you took the moment to trust this transmission and connect in. We love you and we are here with you. Call us when you need to. Isis, Hathor, Mother Mary, Mary Magdalene, Green Tara, Kuan Yin, White Buffalo Woman, the Seraphim, Sophia herself. That which you want to call Sophia by is up to you. God, universe, whatever title you wish to give the supreme creator that goes by thousands of names, they will always come. We are complete with this transmission, and with love and gratitude we release you. Thank you. Thank you. Normally I have no words. That was very powerful. Wow. Okay. Thank you for listening. I also release you with love and gratitude. See you in the next message, soul family.